All right, bring it back 20.
Easy, easy, looks good right there. Secure the ramp. Steady, keep moving forward. Watch the gate.
Gate engaging now. Confirmed lock on lane 2. Check the flow rate on sector 3.
Look steady, maintaining optimal distribution.
Air quality levels are stable across sector 4.
Acknowledged. Water distribution is fully operational.
Flow rate is steady at 50 psi.
Acknowledged. Maintaining optimal levels for the next group.
The Brahman bull is now entering the sterilization chamber. Doors sealing. Mist activation sequence engaged. Water pressure optimal.
Acknowledged. Switching to dry cycle in T-minus 10 seconds.
Analyzing muscle structure. Data stream stable.
Check the thermal overlay on the flank, it's showing green.
Okay, let's cross-reference that with the structural metrics.
We have a green light. Opening the gate now.
Copy that. Proceed.
Check the rotation speed on the main conveyor. We need to maintain precision.
Rotation stable at 180. Placement looks good.
Agreed. Tolerances are met.
The core temperature is stabilizing right on schedule.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current flux.
Check the thermal gradient on the next unit. Reading confirmed.
Automated inspection complete. Item designated premium grade.
Scan complete. Density variance nominal.
Acknowledged. Moving to staging.
Inspection complete. The marbling shows excellent luster. Moving to measurement stand now.
Base measurement confirmed at 23 millimeters. The contour matches the template. Moving this piece to the rack now.
Chamber seal engaged.
Humidity levels stable at 92%.
The high CRI lights reveal the intricate tapestry of this conditioned organic sample. Note the subtle translucency.
Check the gradient on this side. Looks consistent with the sample. Let's send it through.
Temperature holding steady. Submitting transfer command. Receiving.
Material is ready for the plates. Cycle complete. Begin ascent sequence now. Log the temperature delta.
Clear the press. Heat check is good.
Placing the cover now. Rolling to rack 3.
Cooling sequence initiated on line 4. Maintain atmospheric pressure.
Rotate the platform slowly to the left.
Flatness gauge reads stable. Placing the marker now.
The
amber undertones are strong here, especially with the backlighting.
I agree. These samples match the dark brown transitions well.
If we shift the grain alignment slightly, we can fit the handles here.
Confirmed. That maximizes our yield on this cut.
Surgical precision guides the spindle across the organic horn sheet, crafting the second panel with flawless accuracy.
The edges look clean on this one.
All right, place it in the molded recess for comparison.
The bevel looks precise on this one.
Excellent. Loading the next panel now.
The spindle finished the pass. Airflow steady.
Edge feels smooth. Quality check complete.
Surface integrity is compromised at this point.
Confirmed. Applying marker for rework.
The alignment is confirmed.
Proceed with the sequence at 500 RPMs.
Maintain steady pressure on the bevel. We need a perfect finish before the final polish.
Ready to lift?
Aligning now.
And lift.
We need another batch of the gray composite by 1400.
Understood. I'll prep the mixer now.
Check the perimeter closely. Make sure the gloss matches the reference standard before moving to the next phase.
Our advanced process guarantees zero residue, maximizing durability and finish.
Check the temperature on the curing lamps.
Holding steady at warm neutral. The adhesive is applied in a flawless, thin bead, ensuring a uniform, micro-thin film with zero pooling.
Cycle start confirmed. Applying calibrated pressure to the composite substrate.
The alignment on this one is perfect. Ready for the next run.
Dimensions verified. Finish is within tolerance. Ready for transfer.
Roller check indicates perfect bonding.
Magnification confirms bevel integrity. Transfer to assembly.
Make sure the horn panel is centered exactly.
Aligning the template now. Ready for the press.
Alignment looks good.
Clear. Stamping now.
Parts are clean, moving to stack.
Pressurization sequence commencing. All teams maintain safety distance.
Align the front section precisely. Make sure the clips secure the base panel.
The seam is flawless. The rear panel is ready.
The alignment is perfect here.
Okay, clamping sequence engaged. Check the seam.
Align the base corners now.
Smoothing the side walls, confirming 0 wrinkles. Here we see the flawless perimeter stitch, executed with rhythmic precision.
That should be centered now.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. Seam is good.
Meticulously crafted, precisely secured. Welcome to the new era of luxury manufacturing. Factory loaded. Alignment looks precise.
Confirmed. Secure the panel.
Torque limits confirmed. Initiating thermal cycle.
Flawless finish. Structural integrity confirmed. This one is ready.
Aligning the left bracket now.
Confirmed. Confirmed. Applying torque. Every detail considered. The brushed gold clasp aligns perfectly with the organic horn inlay, secured with surgical precision.
Crafted with precision, every stitch tells a story of luxury. Scan sequence initiated. Alignment check positive.
Acknowledged. Proceed to clasp cycle. Brackets remain stable at maximum load.
Minimal distortion on the charcoal body. The handle flex is within tolerance.
Our materials undergo rigorous testing, including abrasion and moisture resistance. This ensures the enduring luster of the protective coating.
Magnification confirms the grain is flawless.
Stability check passed. Approved for packaging.
Check. The charcoal leather handbag, featuring polished horn panels and brushed dark gold hardware, undergoes its final.
The gold hardware is impeccable. Yeah.
Absolutely stunning craftsmanship.
Every detail, meticulously secured for its journey to you. The mark of true craftsmanship.